Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to connect SAP to Power BI. Start by opening Power BI Desktop and clicking on Get Data. Choose Database, then select either SAP Business Warehouse Application Server or SAP Business Warehouse Message Server, and click Connect. Enter the server, system, and client information and choose whether to use Import or Direct Query. You can also use advanced options to run a custom MDX statement or set language codes. Once connected, provide any authentication needed and the navigator will display all available cubes on the server. You can select the cubes, dimensions, and measures you want to use. Preview the data to make sure it's correct. Then either load to bring the data into Power BI directly or transform data to clean, filter, or shape it in Power Query before loading. Power BI allows you to combine SAP data with other sources, giving you the flexibility to create robust reports and dashboards. You can also adjust batch sizes, execution modes, and enable or disable characteristic structures to optimize performance for large datasets. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a tutorial.